What is a moving company? A moving company is a team of professionals who plan, organize, and execute your moving process. They are experts in packing and unpacking, loading and unloading, and are licensed for driving moving trucks to any corner of the country. Are there any benefits of hiring movers? Yes, there are many, and we have listed the top 5 benefits of hiring a moving company: experienced and efficient. With years of experience, they have better handling of each task, which enhances the efficiency of the move. Reliable and accountable. Team of reliable movers are also accountable for any loss or damage to the belongings. Professional, trained and experienced in handling different types of moves with the right tools and equipment. Cost effective. Hiring a moving company is comparatively cheaper than DIY move. Inventory process. Moving companies generated inventory while moving, as it helps in keeping track of all the belongings. Vanlines Move goes through thousands of movers with its unique verification process and provides licensed and top movers for your move. Visit us at vanlinesmove.com or call 833-706-1800 to connect with the moving company.